Okay, so yesterday I uploaded a video on how to use a AC smart plug and a 12-volt relay to disconnect your charging to your solar system when the temperature reaches a certain degree. My YouTube friend Jaykay18 suggested that I can use the scene feature of Edup to set the temperature with which the charging will disconnect. So say you have connected a smart plug to your Edup app, you can tell the smart plug to disconnect or turn off or on at a certain temperature. So in order to do that, you have to create a scene. So I created one and I named it cold temperature disconnect. So you can do the same with your smart plug. Basically, you can click create scene and then it'll give you a bunch of options. So I picked temperature and you set the temperature at the temperature you want the charging to disconnect. So you can set it to, I think I have here 1 degree Fahrenheit. So when it reaches that, the smart plug will turn on and power the 12-volt relay to disconnect charging. So the app is Edup Smart, EDUP from the App Store. And the rest of the video is just what I uploaded yesterday. So you can use an AC smart plug and a 12-volt relay to disconnect charging to your solar system from anywhere. So you can use a Wi-Fi smart plug like this to make a disconnect for your solar charging. So you have your smart plug here that is plugged into a power strip, and you have a 12-volt power supply that supplies power to a relay. You connect the 12 volt to 85, 86 terminal, and then your charging cable goes from 30 to 87A, which is normally closed. So your cable goes from the solar panel to terminal 30 and then to 87A, and then the cable goes to your charge controller. So now all you have to do is to activate the relay with your app, and you'll hear click on the relay. So when you use your app, which is linked to the smart plug, to turn on the 12-volt power supply, that will energize the coil, which is terminal 85 and 86, and that will switch open the contacts so the charging will stop. And if you press on that app to switch off the power, then the contacts on the relay will close again to allow charging. So that's how this thing works. So instead of using a smart AC plug and a relay to make a cold temperature disconnect, you can also use a thermostat together with a relay to have the disconnect done automatically. So I have a video on that, you can look it up, or I think I'm going to make another video just to make the whole setup a little easier to understand. So that will be coming. All right, thanks for watching. Yeah, that's the click.